In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process for completing your online DBS application. Let's start with logging in. You'll receive an email with your personal link and login details. Here's a tip. To avoid errors, it's best to copy and paste those details straight from the email into the login page. Once you're in, you'll be asked to create a memorable word. Choose something you'll remember. You'll need it every time you log in. The DBS application has 2 stages. Stage 1 is completing the form, and Stage 2 is verifying your ID. Start by carefully filling in all your personal details in the form. Take your time and double-check everything before hitting submit. When you've finished and clicked submit on the last page, Stage 1 is complete. Now it's time for Stage 2, ID verification. You'll get to choose how to do this, either digitally using your phone or in person at a post office. If you choose the digital option, you'll receive instructions on how to complete your checks using your smartphone. Before you start, make sure you're in a well-lit area. Have your valid ID ready. Note that BRP cards can't be used for this step. You'll begin by taking a clear photo of your ID, make sure it's free of glare and that all details are visible. Next, you'll scan your face using your phone's camera. You might also be asked to enter your current UK address. If your ID is biometric, you'll need to scan the chip using your phone's NFC reader. To do this, you'll be prompted to download a specific app that will guide you through the process. Once you've completed the steps, you'll land on a confirmation screen. Behind the scenes, we'll usually receive your ID check within 1 working day. If you prefer using the post office, you'll need to add the details of 3 documents you plan to bring with you. After entering these on the portal, wait 24 hours for your QR code to be generated. You'll find this by logging back into your DBS account. Take this QR code to the post office and make sure they scan it. This step links your ID check to your DBS application. In some rare cases, the system may move you onto internal ID checks instead. If this happens and you don't see an option for the post office or digital route, get in touch with us for guidance. Once your ID check is complete, your DBS application will be submitted for processing, usually within 1 working day. Before we wrap up, here are a few things that can hold up your application. Address history issues. Make sure you've listed all addresses from the last 5 years with accurate dates and no gaps. Name changes. If your name has changed due to marriage, for example, be sure to include all previous legal names, along with any middle names, and provide the right documents. Typos. A simple spelling error in your name or date of birth could delay your application, so check carefully. And as always, if you need any support, please reach out.